Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. So today we're going to be talking about geography. What is geography? We can say it's the study of places and the relationships between people and their environments. So another definition too, geography is a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, features, inhabitants and phenomena of the earth and planet. So there are types of geography. So what are the five types of geography? The five themes of geography are location, place, human environment, interaction, and region. So also we can have the examples of geography. Some examples of human geography include urban geography, economic geography, cultural geography, political geography, social geography, population geography. Human geographers who study geographic patterns and process in past time are part of sub-discipline of historical geography. So, what is the purpose of geography? The main purpose of geography and geographers is to see and understand in our world, to determine patterns. Geographers work in environmental management, education, disaster response, city and country planning, and much more. Geography itself is the study of place and space. In when you breaking down it to simple. So, what are the seven concepts of geography? The seven geographical concepts of place, space, environment, interconnection, sustainability, scale, and change are the key to understand the places that make up our world. So let's look at the elements of geography. What are the six elements of geography? The six essential elements are the world in spatial terms, SPATIAL, good, places and regions, physical systems, human systems, environment and society, and the use of geography. So, who is the real father of geography? Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes, the ancient Greek scholar, is called the father of geography. He is a Greek. He was the first one to use the word geography, and he also had a small scale motion of the earth that helped him to determine the circumference of the earth. So, what are the three types of geography here? There are three main strands of geography, the three main strands of geography, which are physical geography, human geography, and environmental geography. So, physical geography, nature. We can see physical geography, nature, and the effects it has on people or on the environment. That is what physical geography is concerned about. And human geography is concerned with people. Environmental geography, how people can farm or protect the. So, what are the three examples of physical geography? Areas of physical geography include geomorphology. Geomorphology is the shape of the Earth's surface and how it came about. Hydrology, the Earth's water, study of the Earth's water, and glaciology, glaciers, glaciers and ice sheets. So, biogeography, species, how they are distributed and why. Bio there means life, so it's talking about species. Climatology, the climate, and pedology is the soil. How do I like geography? I like geography because it helps you understand people and their culture. Lets you know where you are standing in the world. I have worked in the tourist industry before, and in order to be a good host, you have to know your visitors' cultural and geographical background to the list, to say the least. Why geography in science? Geography is considered a science, and those also use the scientific method for data collection, analysis, and interpretation. There are various methods to acquire scientific knowledge from the physical science, biological sciences, social sciences, and everything in between. So, what is the main focus of geography? Geography is the science of place and environment. Its place on earth is distinguished by a unique mixture of natural resources. So, cultural practices and socio-economic and political systems, geographers study what makes each place unique, as well as the connections and interactions between the places. So, what are the understand